Good morning or good afternoon, guys, depending on where you're at. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. So we got some great news for the channel. So we're getting a new truck, hopefully. We're taking a little road trip. It's about 4 hours away over into Ohio, past Cincinnati. So I've been looking for this truck for quite some time now. For a couple months I've been searching, and they've all been either over 200,000 miles, or they're a rust bucket, or they're wanting ridiculous amounts of money for it. So we finally found one, and hopefully everything goes to plan. Hopefully the truck looks exactly how the pictures are, and we bring the truck home today. So we're going to be getting rid of this old rust bucket back here. It's been a great little 4x4 winter truck. I haven't really showed it much, but I've daily driven this quite a bit when Betty White's been down, and when it's been winter and raining. So it's just time to upgrade and get this thing out and get a new truck, and hopefully you guys will enjoy our little adventure. And thanks for watching. Alright guys, so we just stopped at a rest stop, used the restroom, stretched the legs. We got like 170 miles to go still, I think. We passed through Lima, and we're coming up on Dayton right now. But it's pretty beautiful out here, super humid. It's not very hot, but pretty nice out. So hopefully we'll get there soon, not get pulled over or anything. There's a lot of cops. We've already passed probably like 9 cops, by the way. So this one said she wants to take the wheel. So
I'm a better driver.
Yeah, okay, but all right, let's keep going on the trip. Alright guys, so we just got here. It's pretty hot out, but let's go check her out. She's sitting over there. There she is. Guys, they just handed us the keys, told us to go give it a little test drive and see how it is, and let's check her out. Alright guys, so it's a 2004 Silverado 1500 4x4. It's got the little 4.8 in it. It's got 111,000 miles. This is basically the only one that I could find that wasn't a rust bucket or over 200,000 miles. So I looked for about the last 5 months at work, and I think we're going to jump on this one. We did a little walk around. It's not too bad. It does have a little bit of surface rust on it. There's like 1 or 2 small spots into the paint that's got some surface rust, but other than that, it does have the ABS light on, so it's probably going to need a new ABS sensor, and it's definitely going to need a new HVAC control, as one of the knobs is broken off, and you can't switch it in between hot and cold. So either we're gonna have to replace the HVAC or take out some of the dash and replace the blend doors. But we're just gonna take it for a test drive and see how it drives, and might be taking this home today. So we just took it for a test drive. It ran pretty great. It ran strong. We got on it hard a couple times, close to red line. No issues. Slammed on the brakes. Everything worked, functioned great. I don't think there's any complaints. We switched it into 4x4, 4 low, made sure that worked. Everything worked out great. So we're gonna go in and talk to them and see if they can take a little off the price. Alright guys, so we just made the deal. We're buying the truck. We got them to take $500 off, so that was pretty nice. Basically take the taxes out. But so she does look pretty basic. She has a work truck. This is going to be my daily driver winter 4x4 during the winter. I'm not exactly sure which direction we're going to go with the build, but I'm pretty excited for it. So this thing is definitely going to be changing its looks within the next couple weeks. I'm probably going to get rid of the toolbox, the aluminum bed rails, probably get tonneau cover. I might lower it, not sure yet. Definitely tint the windows. This tint's a little bad, it's got some bubbling in it, so we're gonna have to take that off. But yeah, so let's make the 4-hour trip back home, and I hope you guys stay tuned, because this baby's about to get a makeover. Alright guys, so we just left the car dealer lot. Rides pretty smooth, looks pretty good. It does have a little bit of surface rust, which ain't too bad, no cancer there. Other than that, she seems pretty good. Everything runs nice and smooth like she should. She's doing pretty good, cruising at like 80 with the like 2200 RPMs. So, let's get it. Alright, so we're definitely going to be upgrading the head unit on this radio sometime soon, because this thing's still stock and there's no aux input or nothing. And I'm out here in Ohio and there ain't nothing but country. There's another cop. Dude shooting a bunch of radar guns. There's cops crazy out here, but okay. Yes, nothing but country. I don't know any Ohio channels. I know Indiana channels for the AM, FM, but I just sitting here hitting seek, and every single station I pop onto is country. Which that ain't bad, but I think that's enough country in my life for today. I also want to say a big thanks to that gorgeous lady in the vehicle in front of me for driving all the way out here with me and driving all the way back and spending the whole day with me just to go buy this truck. Well guys, it looks like we might be coming into some rain. Got some clear blue skies behind us. We got some dark clouds in front of us. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit, so hopefully it don't rain too hard. So we got off the main interstate. We're on the backcountry road highways, kind of, but we're about an hour away, so we're making pretty good time. Thankfully, we got out of that little rain cloud pretty quick. The roads are still pretty wet, but not doing too bad. Be home before you know it. Look at that, Ohio's got a big sign. Welcome back to Indiana, a small sign. But glad to be back into Indiana. Corn-fed Indiana bread. Ting! Alright guys, so everything went great. We made it back. The truck ran amazing. No problems at all. No hiccups, nothing. She cruised at like 80 for, 2200 RPMs almost the whole entire way. Only had to fill up once, and that was right in the beginning. So she did great on gas mileage and made it back home safe. That's the important thing, so I'm pretty happy with this buy. So stay tuned for the build, guys, because this is going to be a new upcoming build. It's going to look completely different than how it does now, so I got a lot of parts to order. So a lot of aesthetics, a lot of little looks. I think we're probably going to lower it. So this is going to be my new winter 4x4 and replace the old green truck over there. So that's going to be coming up for sale, probably like $1,500–1,600. Great 4x4, but stay tuned, guys. So I'm going to be posting a lot of videos and pictures of the new truck. And don't worry, I haven't forgot about Betty White. She's still in the back of my head, so we just got a few more things to do on her, and she should be rolling and hitting the car shows. So here soon I might be bringing 2 trucks or Betty White in the car to some of the car shows, so stay tuned. And thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate all the support and all the help you guys have done. So thanks, guys, and catch you later.